Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to discuss about quadratic equation. Here you see I am quadratic equation. Now what is quadratic equation? The equation whose degree is 2, that means the highest power is 2, is called quadratic equation. For example, here you see in this equation you see what is the highest power? 2. So it is quadratic. Now simply if I write x square equals to 2, then also it is quadratic because highest power is what? 2. Now like linear equation, the standard form is there. So standard form, whenever we tell what is the standard form, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where it is very important, my dear, a not equal to 0. That means if a is 0, then x square is missing there. So if x square is not there, how it is quadratic? So whenever you write quadratic equation, you have to write the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and very important, a not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real. That is you know only. Okay. Now today I am going to that part where solving part is there. The equation you have to solve. So solving part, solve means to find x, the value of x. Since highest power is 2, how many values we will get? 2. You remember the degree of the equation decide how many values. Suppose here highest power is 1. So one value only you will get. Suppose you are getting x plus 2 equal to 1. How many values for x you will get? Only 1 because the degree is 1. So if the degree is 2, how many values you will get? 2. So here solving, when we do the solve, there will be also after solving how many values we will get? 2. So what are the process for solving? Number 1, factor form. Factor form. That is by factorization you have to do. Normally we apply middle term factorization. Number 2, formula. Formula. And number 3, completing square. Completing square. Okay, so these are the methods. Today I am going to explain first factor. So first I am writing one equation for factor method. So here you see factor method is very easy. Already you know it. Factor method or factor form. Now I am going to directly answer one question and you see how to solve it. X square minus thrice x minus 10 equal to 0. So here you have to solve for x. Now factor means factorization. And since here are 3 terms, highest power is 2, we can apply middle term factorization. Class 9, in class 9 we have completed this process. Then also I am explaining very elaborately. Here 10, here 1. 10 1 ja 10. You have to find the factor. When I factorize, I am getting 5 and 2. With 5 and 2, easily we can make 3 because 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Here I will do like this. In place of 3, just you have to write 5 minus 2 and here x. Okay. So now when you open it, you are getting minus plus minus 5 into x, 5x. Similarly minus minus plus 2 into x, twice x. Here minus 10. Everything is okay, just we do the calculation in this side. Now from first to what is common? You see here also x, here also x. You can take x common. So what is left out from x square? I have taken 1x, so 1x is left. Here I have taken x, who is left? Only 5. Now this is the sign plus. From these two what is common? 2. Here also 2. If I take 2, here x. If I take 2, 2 5s are 10, so 5. So now you have to write which is the common part, that is x minus 5, x minus 5. And then we will write x here and here plus 2, middle term factorization only. Now either, you see how to write, either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. Here I will get x equal to 5. Here I will get x equal to minus 2. That means how many values I have got? 2 values. That means the power is 2. That means how many values ultimately? 2 values. So this is the factor method. At home, you can practice one question as a homework. I can give you homework you write. You practice it. Thrice x square, easy, very easy, plus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. By this method you try to overcome this. Now one more form method is there, that is formula. Formula, first I write the formula. Formula is directly you apply the formula. X equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. When you apply the formula, you will observe same value you will get, but the method is different. Just apply the formula. Now I will show you same question by this method. X square minus thrice x minus 10 equal to 0. You will observe my value is same only. Now here I am applying formula. So here a means what? Who is sitting with x square? Because our standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Who is sitting with x square? That is x. Here who is sitting with x square? 1. So a equal to 1. Now b, who is sitting with x? That means what? Minus 3. And c, who is last constant, that is the last number I am comparing here, minus 10. Now you write the formula. X equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by twice a. So I put the value here, you see, minus 3. That means what? B is minus 3. I will use one bracket. Otherwise, maybe mistake will be there. Then here b square, here I write minus 3 whole square. Here minus 4. I am putting the values only. A is what? 1 and c is what? Since minus is there, I prefer always I use one bracket. Maybe mistake will be there otherwise. 2 into a. A means what? 1. So now I am going to do the further calculation. Here I do the calculation. Here you see, here what is x. And this one minus minus plus 3. Minus 3 square is 9, minus minus plus 10 into 4 is 40. Here you see 2. Now next step, here 3, here plus minus 49. Here 2. Again next, 49 root everyone know, that is what? 7. 7 into 7, 49 into 7. Now here plus minus written. Now I will write either. You see x equal to once you take plus in the down 2 only, or once you take minus in the down 2. Okay. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 2 is what? 5. And here 3 minus 7 is what? Minus 4 divided by 2. We are getting here minus 2. Ultimately, before the last question, we have completed with factorization. Same value we have got in that question 5 and minus 2. Here also same value, but we have to know all the methods, because if in the paper it is mentioned by factorization, you have to follow that method. If it is by formula application, this one, and if it is not mentioned by which method you have to do, you can apply any method which is comfortable for you. Thank you.